Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your first deposit bonus in Melbet. This is really easy. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional Melbet account. To do this, you will click on register. Next, you will click on full. Here you're going to enter all your personal information, and at the promo code section you're going to enter the promo code CAMTV. By using this promo code, you will get 300% bonus. So if you recharge your account with $50, you will get $150. All you have to do is to click on the menu icon, and here you're going to click on your balance icon at the top right. Then you're going to find out that there are many options like top up the account, add the account, main account. So here, as you have your first deposit bonus due to the promo code mentioned earlier, you will find out that you will have a bonus account section. So you have a bonus account balance, and you just have to click on it to select it as your payment account for now. So what you're now going to do is to head back behind, and then you're going to select one of these options: live match, pre-match, or any bet you want. But you must be sure that all the outcome that you insert in your bet slip must be greater than 1.3 of odds. So next you're going to click on bet by entering any amount which suits to your bonus account. So next you're going to click on bet, and then you're going to wait. Now if the final outcome is correct, you're going to enter directly all your first deposit bonus into your main account, which you can be able to withdraw easily and simply.